Welcome to UMBC Mic'd Up podcast. In this episode, we dive into the future of software engineering with Dr. Mohammad Samarah, Graduate Program Director for UMBC's Masters in Software Engineering. You want to know the real impact of AI on your career? Here's the big takeaway. While generative AI is changing the game, it's advanced software engineers, real humans, who are guiding, shaping, and co-creating the tools of tomorrow. Stick around to hear how this program gets students ready to lead, not just code. So why should a professional consider software engineering as a career choice?
Well, Denise, software is no longer something on your computer. It has entered into everyday objects. So we have the opportunity now to change the world in a meaningful way using software. In addition to that, we have a lot of advances in AI and generative AI tools that is fueling the need for more and more professionals who have advanced skills in software engineering. These generative AI tools are built by software engineers, by advanced software engineers. And so because of those two aspects, we need now more and more people to be armed with the skills, the tools, the knowledge to take us further and make sure that our future is humans with AI and we are in control of our destiny.
What do graduates of the software engineering program do in the field after they graduate? What kind of things can folks expect to do?
Yeah, so our graduates hit the ground running, but they're not going into entry-level positions. They're going for advanced positions. I'll give you some examples of recent graduates. One graduate, she went on to become an AI machine learning engineer, building AI tools and AI augmented devices. Another went on to become a software architect. The world is in dire need of software architects. Those are engineers that understand the big picture, but are also able to navigate into the small details. And they're able to bring the gap or bridge the gap between what's needed and how to get it done. In other words, the business or user needs and the technical needs. A third engineer went on to become a team lead. So these are the type of roles that we expect you to get. AI machine learning, software architecture, team lead, a group manager, or a software engineering manager. We give you the advanced skills to hit the ground running. Every course we teach you is an applied course that connects every chapter, every section to what it means to do it in the real world.
A follow-up question to that is maybe there are some job reports that indicate there's maybe a little bit of a lesser percentage of job growth in certain areas, maybe entry level. Can you speak to that?
Sure. Yeah. So our program is readying students to become advanced professionals. AI and AI generative tools are going to affect mundane tasks, low-level things, simple coding tasks. AI tools today, tomorrow, 10 years, 20 years from now will not generate and create a system, will not create an AI tool itself. So not only we need more advanced software engineers, but now it's very critical because some of the code generated by AI tools, we may be able to use portions of it, small parts. We still need advanced engineers to look over it, to supervise it, to ensure it's correct and safe and meaningful, and it fits within the system that it's intended for.
Thank you. And my last question is, how does artificial intelligence, generative AI, how does it affect a career in software engineering?
Yeah, so AI is a field that's been around since the 50s. And now we have so many advances, and it's also in the forefront in public with these generative AI tools. So being an advanced software engineer is going to give you the skills and the knowledge to understand that AI is a subfield of computer science and that machine learning is a subfield of AI. And give you the ability to co-create applications and devices and systems with AI or for AI. But at the center of it, you're going to put the human needs, the user needs, and meaning to serve humanity, to serve you, to serve your family, and to serve your organization. So because of the AI generative tools do not have this ability to sort of look at what is needed. It has no spirit. It has no human-like emotions or behavior. We need advanced software engineers at the center of it to build with it, to co-create with it, to guide it, to supervise it, to tell when it's creating something that's worthy, and to tell when it's creating something that's completely rubbish and garbage.
That's powerful. Anything else that you want to add?
You know, there are many theories about what AI generative tools and AI tools and robotics will do for us or against us. The truth of the matter is, if we were to predict what's going to happen, we have seen this story unfold before. The more automation we create, the more the human is needed, the more the human skills needs to be elevated and advanced. So the future is bright. It's going to be humans with AI, humans guiding and controlling and managing AI and putting it in its own box and place as a tool to create meaning.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of UMBC's Mic'd Up podcast. If you'd like to learn more about our offerings in software engineering, visit the link in the description.